convert temperature. Diana's patient called into the office to report the development of a fever due to a possible UTI. The patient reported having a fever of 102 degrees Fahrenheit. What is this temperature in Celsius? And so in order to answer this question, we need to know the formula for converting Fahrenheit to Celsius. So to convert Fahrenheit to Celsius, we will need to know that Celsius is equal to 5 times Fahrenheit minus 32 divided by 9, or as shown as C equals 5 times F minus 32 over 9. And so now let's go back to our problem as we have this formula now. So we're going to plug in this 102 degrees into our Fahrenheit. So Celsius then becomes 5 times 102 minus 32 over 9. And so remembering our order of operations, we know we need to solve for the information in the parentheses first. So using our calculator, we could go 102 minus 32, which is equal to 70. So therefore, we would show 5 times 70 over 9. Now, the next thing we could do is we can multiply the two numbers on the top. So this would become 5 times 70 is equal to 350, and we'll divide by 9. So, just to confirm, times 5 equals 350, and now we're going to divide by 9 as our final step. And then we would get 38.8, and a lot of 8s. So we'll just round to the nearest tenth. So this becomes 38.9, and to show that it's Celsius, we're going to do this little degree sign with a C. So this is what 102 degrees Fahrenheit is in Celsius. And so remember, when converting temperatures, round to the 10th place, which is like what we just did. So now let's look at another example. Joshua is receiving treatment for a UTI that has reached his kidneys. His healthcare provider would like Joshua to contact him if his fever rises above 39 degrees Celsius. What temperature should Joshua be on the lookout for? So in order to solve for this, we will need to convert from Celsius to Fahrenheit. So to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, we would do Fahrenheit is equal to 9 times Celsius divided by 5 plus 32, or as shown as F equals 9C over 5 plus 32. So now that we have a formula, let's go back to our problem and go ahead and start solving. So we have F is equal to 9C, and our C is 39 degrees. So we'll just plug that in. So we have 39 divided by 5 plus 32. And so, remembering our order of operations, we're first going to multiply this 9 times 39. So, 9 times 39 equals 351. And we're going to divide by 5, and we're going to add 32. So, the second step then is to divide this 351 by 5. So divided by 5, which is equal to 70.2. And we're going to add 32, and this is our last step. So we'll add 32, which is equal to 102. 102.2 degrees Fahrenheit. So 39 degrees Celsius is equal to 102.2 degrees Fahrenheit.